If you send me the location, then
hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to clear your dark nipple and how to clear your armpit, your dark armpit as well. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. Why we have dark knuckles and dark armpit as well. You know, dark knuckles do not because so many people do say she has dark knuckle because she's using bleaching cream, or she has dark armpit because she's dirty. You know, no, it's a lie. Especially those of us that live in the UK or that lives in Europe or that lives in a country where there is no cold, it's good for you. Okay, you'll be able to have your clear knuckle naturally. But for us that lives in abroad, that's what they call it, abroad. For us that lives in abroad, we do have this dark knuckle because we use hot water a lot. Okay, whenever we want to do our dishes, whenever we want to wash our clothes, maybe you have your own clothes you don't wash with machine, you want to wash it with your hands. Whenever you want to wash your pants, you know, you must use warm water or hot water. It's naturally for us that lives abroad. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to be using bleaching cream before you have dark knuckle. If you are using hot water to have your bath, you already have dark knuckle. That's why if you see some white people, whenever they want to wash that, whenever they want to do their dishes, they always wear hand glove. You know, we black people, we do not like those kind of things. I am not even used to it, by the way. Whenever I want to make my body product, or maybe you will see me, I always wear hand glove, but I am not comfortable whenever I wear it. We black people are not comfortable with gloves, those big gloves that they used to do the dishes. So this is why we get dark knuckle. This is why we get this dark knuckle thing, because of hot water. Naturally, for us that lives abroad, we use hot water a lot. That's why we get dark knuckle. Why for these armpits, why some people get dark armpit, is because this armpit of a thing, you normally do cover your hands like this. Okay, there is no hair, almost everybody. Okay, this is why we get that dark armpit, because we normally cover this place. Whenever you wear clothes, you cover it. Whenever you go out, you cover it. We that lives abroad, we wear like your singlet, put on your sweater, then you put on your jacket. When you put on your jacket and you are going out, so that's why we get this dark armpit a lot. For those people that lives in Africa where there is no cold, and you can go out as well, just wear singlet. You know, when you wear singlet, you'll be receiving some free air there. But we that lives abroad, even when you are in Africa as well, you do get this dark armpit as well, because we don't normally open it. Is it possible for us to walk like this now? It's not possible for us to walk like this. We always close our armpits, which is very, very important. We walk this way, not this way. So if we walk this way, you will see this place will be, you know, it will blend naturally with our body. But we are going this way, not this way. So that's why we always, because we use hot water a lot, we use water, so we must surely add this dark knuckle, warm water, not just hot water, warm water, because you add cold and hot water together to give you warm water. So those warm water give us these things. It's not because of bleaching cream. Okay, so whenever you want to rub your cream, just do your hand like this. It's as if you want to set blow your hand. Do your hand like this, rub the cream. Okay, do the second one, rub it. So it will clear, it will, at least it's not going to stop it from happening. Okay, it will happen normally because we use hot water, but it will be clearing it a little bit, little every time you use hot water. Maybe just, you know, rub your cream, use hot water, you know, rub your cream. And secondly, what you have to do once a week, because it's normally it's supposed to be once a week or once in 2 weeks. You have to get a protector, fresh protector. Peel the back off, wash it, blend it, or just scrape it and potato right now. That's what I'm just saying it, I'm just telling you. So just scrape your potato, add your lime orange as well, press your lime orange into that. What you have to do is to put your hands on top of the table and spread your mixed potato on top and leave it there for some time. After some time, you wash it off. If you wash it off after some time, if you have carrot oil, just rub your carrot oil. Use your carrot oil to rub it properly. Use your carrot oil to rub the 2 hands properly. From there, let me say once a week or twice, or once in 2 weeks, which is really good. If you can keep that up, it will prevent it from always going really darker and darker and darker. You want to clear this armpit. This if you have dark armpit and you want to clear it, take your baking soda. This is baking soda, guys. I got this from pharmacy. It's really affordable. Yeah, if I remember, I think it was €4 something. Then you have to cut this lime into two. When you cut your lime into two, add your baking soda inside the lime. When you cut it into two, just use it to scrub your armpit like this. Use it to wash it properly. Wash. Then you leave it for some time. Use the other part, because you are going to cut it into two. It will be like 2 parts. Use this other part. Dip it inside your baking soda as well. Make sure it soak the baking soda very well. Then use it to scrub here as well. Scrub for some time. Then you leave it there. Just leave. You don't wash it that moment. You leave it. Then you give yourself some time. After some time, you come. Then all you have to do now is to go into the shower. Make sure you wash. And the baking soda, make sure you wash that place properly. When you come outside, you will see that everything is clear. No, there is no dark spots there anymore. Everything is clean and clear. Because whenever you are always wearing clothes, you're always covering that place. You're always closing your hands. So it's normal. You always get it. It's not a bad thing to have dark knuckle. It's not a bad thing to have dark armpit. It's normal because we wash dishes, we take a bath with hot water, we wash dishes with hot water. So it's not because of bleaching, because she's bleaching, oh my god, because she's dirty. No, nothing like that. These are the reason why we get it, and these are the things you can do that will be clearing it for you. Whenever you have occasion, beautiful occasion, you are going to just do this. Just whenever maybe just do this once a week, every once a week, or every once in 2 weeks. It will be really good, okay, to clear it, to make your skin and your armpit blend, to make your dark knuckle blend as well, to make your armpit blend to your skin, to make your knuckle blend to your skin as well for some time, but not forever, okay. But you have to keep doing it. That is it for today, guys. And why I decided to talk about this stuff was because I saw a message and someone said, I always get dark knuckle no matter how I rub the cream, or no matter how much I rub cream, or no matter how much I rub cream on my armpits. I always get those parts of my body are always dark. Okay, and these are the reasons: because of hot water, and secondly, you always close your armpits. You don't open it and walk like this. It's normal. Everyone gets it. Everyone gets this stuff. But all you have to do is very simple. Like I said, your dark knuckle is with a potato, fresh potato. Peel the back and scrape it. Okay. Add your baking soda. Add a little bit of lime there. Use it to scrub your dark knuckles. Leave it there for some time. Later you wash it. Just use for your armpits. Use the baking soda. Then you are good to go. That's why I came to talk about this thing. So guys, if you are a first timer here, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.